Recent polling suggests a shift in how some Labour voters view the pressures on the NHS. A survey conducted by Merlin Strategy asked 2,000 people who voted Labour in the 2024 general election what they believe is the biggest burden on the health service. The most common response was high levels of immigration, chosen by 24% of respondents. This was followed closely by the mental health crisis at 22%. Other responses included a lack of social care, junk food and obesity, and vaping. The poll also found that around 1 in 5 Labour voters would consider voting for Reform UK in a future election. This comes as Reform UK, led by Nigel Farage, gains ground in national opinion polls. The party has pledged to significantly reduce non-essential migration and stop illegal channel crossings, issues that continue to draw public attention. In a speech last month, Prime Minister Keir Starmer acknowledged that high net migration in recent years has added pressure to public services, including the NHS. Maxwell Marlowe from the Adam Smith Institute, which commissioned the poll, stated that many voters are concerned about how immigration may be impacting healthcare access. He suggested that changes to visa policies, such as requiring private health coverage, could be considered. The poll also highlighted wider concerns among Labour supporters. Only 51% felt the government was prioritising the issues that mattered to them. Meanwhile, 28% said they regretted voting Labour, and 22% said they were considering switching to Reform. Approval ratings for Nigel Farage among Labour voters stood at 40%, with 41% disapproving. Merlin Strategy also ran a focus group in Runcorn and Helsby, a former stronghold for Labour, where the party narrowly lost to Reform in a recent by-election. Some participants felt the government was hesitant to act decisively, while others questioned the focus on vaping and tobacco reforms, seeing it as less relevant to everyday concerns. Overall, the findings reflect growing interest among voters in how the government is addressing healthcare, immigration, and cost of living issues. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.